Okay, so I did the left name, and let's do a little bit more. Okay, let's just do 3 of that, and then let's put an image here, and let's just pick another image from CNN. Okay, all right, the guy kind of looks weird, but let's put that in, and then I have to end the image with that. And then remember, I'm gonna put some stuff here, right? So let's just put a bunch of random stuff, and let's just make that really long. And then let's put another paragraph that has a bunch of stuff, and let's put 3 paragraphs that has this bunch of content. Okay, and just to make it look cool, why don't we add some of those too, just so that we fill up the space. Okay, and then let's also do that there. Okay, in the footer, let's say copyright by Village Inc. Okay, all right, so if I go and do this, it's just gonna put it all in this order. Okay, I didn't tell the website, the browser, where to place the footer division, where to put the right content, where to put the nav, where to put the wrapper, and so forth, right? I didn't tell the browser that at all. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a CSS file. Okay, and I always forget how to put in a CSS file, so I usually just go to any of the site, I click on view page source, and they all use CSS. So let's see where they use CSS. Okay, so this is how we say, okay, let me just copy that. So link, relevant, style sheet, text CSS, and then href. Let's create a CSS folder, and then let's do style.css. Okay, so it basically says I'm gonna put the CSS file in the CSS folder style.css. All right, so okay, got an error message, so I'll figure that out a little bit. Okay, so now open up your WinSCP, and here in that folder I was going to create CSS folder, right? And then here I'm going to create a file called style.css. Okay, and then just put random stuff, just save it and save that, and then go here. Okay, it's not going to do anything, but here in the style.css, okay, what we're going to do is anything that is a division ID, you do sharp. You can also use a division class. ID, if you use for example, division ID wrapper, there better be only one wrapper ID. ID needs to be unique. Now, let's say you had this division that you want to use repeatedly in the website, because maybe you're going to group all the images together using a division name called image awesome. Okay, then instead of ID, because ID you can only use it once, but you can name that division class, like image awesome, and you can use this multiple times. Okay, so there are 2 ways to describe a division. One's an ID that has to be a unique one, only one in the HTML file. Class could appear multiple times. So if you're talking about an ID, you put a sharp and you describe how that should behave. So now we got a wrapper. Okay, so wrapper. Okay, and you can do division. I think that works. Okay, let's just test it. So here, let's say I want the background color of everything within that wrapper, which is pretty much everything. Let's say I want the background color to be yellow. And let's see if that works. That worked. Okay, so I'm gonna write a bunch of comments like this for each of the division. Okay, so I got this, I got wrapper, header, I have a nav, and then I have a left nav, and then right content, footer. Okay, save it.